Just took the screws out of this electric strike that I pulled out of a building yesterday. Haven't opened it up all the way, but if you notice, somebody really ground on this thing. That's because they put the wrong latch protector on it. Additionally, they ground on the faceplate. But what's interesting is they ground on the faceplate while it was still attached. So I could see grindings down here in the bottom of this. So, oh, look at this. We have some kind of oily, greasy substance in addition to all of the metal filings in here. Combine oil and the grease with the metal filings. I'll bet this thing doesn't work worth a shit. Let's see if I can take it apart here. I'm gonna mount this to the tripod so we can finish taking this apart. It's fighting me. Get all the metal in the bottom of this. Stuck to the paper even. Looks like the bottom of this is just full of metal shavings. Shouldn't be anything holding it together. Oh, there's the screw I'm looking for. Not as bad as I thought. Down on the bottom was a little bit of metal shavings. This is just covered right here, down inside there. There, just filled with metal. Looks like it still might work. Can't be good. Nah. I don't know if you can see them, but there's sparklies all over the desk. There you have it, what a hack locksmith does work.